Hello everyone! A business is known with its name, logo, a special phrase it uses. It is called brand. Actually, a brand is like a business face and everyone sees it and know it as you. But what if someone starts using your business face, your brand? It is confusing and not fair. Today, let's talk about how to protect your brand with trademark registration. First of all, what is a trademark? Trademark is a unique symbol, word, or phrase representing your brand. It distinguishes your services and goods from others. It becomes your legal protection against any unauthorized use or imitations. When you trademark your brand, name, logo, you say that, yeah, this is mine and only mine, and no one can use it without my permission. It is like putting fences around your house. Everyone can see it, but no one can enter unless you allow it. So, why securing a trademark is non-negotiable? First, you need to protect your brand recognition. In the sea of businesses, stand out and be remembered. Second, it also provides you some exclusive rights. Claim nationwide exclusivity over your trademark. Third, it also helps you legally protect your trademark for any unauthorized use. Fourth, and the last one, it protects your brand value and attracts new investors. So, how we can ensure that our brand is protected? Before applying for a trademark, be sure that there is no confusing or similar trademark exists. And then submit a detailed application to the USPTO, the Federal Authority of Trademark Registration. The Federal Authority of Trademarks. USPTO will review your application and analyze whether your application is compliant with the applicable laws. Once your application is approved, it will grant you exclusive rights all around the United States. Navigating a trademark application can be overwhelming and lengthy, like 12 or 24 months. But with Clemta, you can handle all the hassle paperwork from the comfort of your home. When you walk this journey with Clemta, our professionals first provide you with a comprehensive similarity and availability check, so that you will minimize any chance of rejection. Clemta also ensures that your application meets all the USPTO requirements, from addressing office actions till renewing the trademark. Clemta will help you in all steps. Lastly, you can sleep easy while knowing that your trademark is on safe hands. Your brand is not just a name or logo. If you have it, you should also consider registering your trademark before the USPTO. It is like locking the door of your home, so that you, your work, your ideas, all will be safe and so on. Be proud of your brand and protect it.